This morning, Matthews is very, very pleased to announce that after 35 years of strong partnership with Reynolds, we now officially welcome the Reynolds team and business into the Matthews family. It's a super exciting time for us to be able to share the news, and what that really means for the Reynolds team, and more importantly the customers, is the opportunity for the two teams to come together to really drive innovation into the New Zealand market, taking what is local and the legacy and maintaining that, but enhancing the systems and also the servicing that we can now provide in New Zealand by the two teams coming together. And joining me this morning to celebrate in the news is James Booth, the CEO of Reynolds Group.
Yep. Hi, I'm James. I'm the CEO of Reynolds Group, and I'm really excited about this development. As Mark says, after 35 years, we've finally brought the two businesses together. Absolutely logical marriage. What this means is that Reynolds Group continues as Reynolds. We're still a New Zealand managed business. However, we're now part of a much bigger team. We have more resources, more team members, access to a broader range of products and services, and this is all going to be great news for our customers. We're really looking forward to the coming phase in the history of Reynolds Group. This is going to be really good for everyone, and not only in New Zealand, but also for our trans-Tasman customers, where we're going to be able to provide a common, seamless service. So, yeah, looking forward to it, Mark.
Yeah, very much so. And also announcing at Foodtech Packtech is the new Reynolds brand logo. And like Matthews, for over a decade now, we've had the chameleon. So for the New Zealand customers that might be scratching their head and going, why the chameleon? Well, the chameleon stands for adaptability, intelligence, and seamlessly integrating, and that is exactly what we do. So at Foodtech Packtech for the next 3 days, we have a range of new equipment that is all about self-service, total cost of ownership reductions for our customers, but more importantly, the level of integration as well. So the chameleon, standing for adaptability, intelligence, and seamlessly integrating. You can see all of the equipment here for the next 3 days, and also our award-winning IDSnet solution that we're officially launching into the New Zealand market as well. So hopefully everyone can come down and talk to the Reynolds team for the next 3 days.
Come on down. Really look forward to speaking with everyone and sharing more information about this exciting development. We'll see you here.
Thank you.